Amazon's Q2 sales reach $134.4 billion, up 11% YoY, driven by CEO Andy Jassy's focus on delivery network enhancements. High profits of $6.7 billion achieved during Q2, a sharp improvement from the $2 billion loss in the same period last year. Amazon Web Services (Oz) demonstrates 12% YoY sales growth, reflecting increased business confidence. Advertising revenue rises by an impressive 22% YoY, aligned with positive economic indicators. Despite rising prices, Amazon reports a 4% YoY increase in online sales during April to June, bouncing back from a slower start. International sales recover with around 10% growth after a decline, showing resilience post-pandemic. Focus on enhancing delivery network efficiency leads to significant job cuts and infrastructure overhaul. Investment in artificial intelligence (AI) drives Amazon's efficiency and increases share prices. CEO Andy Jassy's efforts yield positive results, propelling overall sales growth and profit increase. Amazon's international business witnesses significant sales growth, indicating market revival. Julian Skelly from Publicis Sapient Europe highlights the strength of Amazon's diverse ecosystem. Positive market conditions and reduced inflation rates set the stage for Amazon's strong performance in H2 2023. Amazon's Q2 results reflect a remarkable revival in its e-commerce business amidst a sluggish economy. Efforts to enhance delivery network efficiency and speed bring about notable sales growth and increased profits. Oz experiences sales stabilization, while advertising revenue and online sales show substantial growth. International market segment rebounds from declines, contributing to a positive outlook for Amazon's future. Investment in AI and positive quarterly results drive Amazon's share prices higher. Mr. Skelly anticipates strong performance for Amazon in H2 2023, given improved market conditions. Overall, Amazon's Q2 performance indicates a significant revival, exceeding expectations and positioning the company for continued growth.